this week's episode of SEO on the Sofa, we're going to talk about what happens to when your ranks drop in Google and how to fix that. Every now and then Google runs an update. They ran one in the beginning of August. A lot of ranks got shuffled around and some customers' ranks dropped. What you need to do is look at the good content that's on your site and try and promote that and build some links to the good content, and think about writing more good content on your site as well, and think about how you're going to share that content with people in your network, customers, and anyone who would be related to your business. You'll also want to diversify your marketing efforts. You should be doing this anyway. Think about paying for advertising on Google AdWords. Most of my customers will have Google AdWords accounts and have SEO, so that when their ranks drop, they don't lose so much traffic. You could also think about Facebook and also LinkedIn marketing as well. It's a really good idea in general to just diversify. The most important thing is not to panic and don't start building bad links or buy some cheap links overseas, and don't over-optimize your anchor text, going after those important big words that you like all the time. And that's it.